This is the sales order generator. We built this to completely change how we can process a customer's purchase orders. So right now when a customer sends a PO as a PDF, someone has to manually open it and then they got to read through it, find each product in our system, check the inventory, and type that all into a new sales order. That process can take a lot of time, and the goal with building this application was to eliminate a lot of that manual work. So here's how it works. I'm going to go ahead and upload a purchase order, and now the app is going to read the PDF using AI and extracts everything automatically, like the customer name, the PO number, line items, unit prices, and even the ship to address down here. So on the left is a copy of the purchase order, and then over on the right here, it looked up the customer, it matched Prime Lab Sciences to their existing account in our system automatically, and if there were multiple close matches, it would ask us to confirm, but in this case, it found them all right away. So if you want, you can enter a date over here, or just use a default. For now, I'm going to use a default for all of these. And then it asks if you want to create a new contact for this customer. You can do that right here. For now, I'm going to go ahead and skip this. Here is all your parts. You got your quantity, and it will do your unit of measure conversions for you right there. And then if you don't have anything in your inventory, it'll let you know here and give you an expected date for when it will be in your inventory. Then you got your ship to information, and when everything looks good, you can go ahead and create the sales order, and there you go. It successfully posted to Rover ERP. You got a little copy button here if you want to move this information somewhere else, or the sales order somewhere else. And then over on the left here, you have a little history of all of your purchase orders that you've turned into sales orders right over here.